In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a channel in AdsPower. To get started, open the AdsPower app and look to the upper left corner of the window. There, click on the plus sign labeled New Profile. This is where you'll create a fresh browser profile and connect it to the website or channel you want to use. Once the profile setup window opens, begin by filling out the general details. You'll want to enter a profile name that helps you easily recognize it later. Then choose the browser core and the operating system that best match your needs. These settings help define how the profile will behave, so it's a good idea to pick them carefully before moving on. After that, scroll down until you reach the platform section. This is where you tell AdsPower which website this profile is intended for. Open the Account Platform drop-down menu and check whether your website is listed. If the exact platform you need does not appear there, simply select Other. That option allows you to manually enter the site instead of choosing from the preset list. As soon as you select Other, an input box will appear. In that field, type in your preferred website domain. You can enter it as a simple domain or as a full link, depending on how you want it organized. The key here is to make sure the domain is entered correctly, so the profile is associated with the right destination. If you also want certain pages to open automatically every time this profile launches, look just below the platform choice for the Open tab or Opening URL box. In that field, type or paste the full destination link you want to load at startup. This is especially useful if you want to jump directly into a home page, dashboard, or a specific inner page without opening it manually each time. When everything looks correct, click OK to save the profile setup. And that's it. Your new AdsPower channel profile is ready to use.